Oh, so you cut me on my first ever suicide, huh? I'm wizard. World is ready. Animals are greedy. Animals are rude. Humans are rude. Humanity is rude. But I know, don't know what I will do with this freaking planet. Make a freaking virus or just suicide myself, self. My choice is the option one, the suicide, and now I will finally die. Ay, ay, ay. Or maybe not. Why can't I just die? I hate this planet. I hate this rude humanity. I hate the animals that is so rude. Why can't I just die? Am I so special or I am not special? I don't know. Am I just so evil because of the humanity, or I am just so good that I can die because I have to do something that is good? And look at that. The humanity, they didn't even care with them almost killed slash almost broken man. How can humanity be this evil? Is it just because of the past or not? Am I just so rude, or this just a illusion or hallucination? I don't know. If I'm seeing things, I hope that's good, but if I'm not, that's so rude of the humanity slash earth. That's the reason why I wish I wasn't born in this greedy planet, net. But please, be so kind, be so normal, humanity. And look at that, so many wars again, even though the wars had to be stopped. That's why humanity literally so rude, because of this freaking wars. I hope the wars can be stopped, even just 1 day, 1 second, 1 minute, or even just 0.1 seconds. Please. I am not a rude guy. I am not a evil person. I am not a evil animal. I am not horse. I am not a animal. I am a human being that is not greedy like almost all of these humanities. The new generation is good because of brain rots and other memes like the 6-7 kid. But still, with that all memes and wars and some brain rots, I still hope this new gen will be as good as the old gens that have no war, no rude humans, no rude animals, no greedy humanity, no war, no and no more anything violent for this new gen. But I don't know if this new gen will be cooked or not, because the brainless can even be stopped. Even 6-7 kid that is just a kid became fan of this game on Roblox called Brain Rot, and this is all the root of humanities. I still hope there will be more and more good people to arrive in this planet, like me. Please, new gen, don't be cooked. This bring us a new and some goofy stuff that is rude. Please don't corrupt the new gens. We are just the new gens, the one who will learn good manners like GMRC, some English lessons like English subject, and many more subjects like math, science, and many more. Please. This is Deal.